Hi everybody, look at this absolutely adorable cow. Let's look super close. Look at that hair. It's the Highland cow. Cute little ears, adorable face. This is amazing because it is a basket. Look at this. I love this. How cute is this? So this is a look at the bottom. This is really great craftsmanship. It does come flat, just like I showed you. And what I do is I just take it out and kind of work with it a little bit and get it into its shape. And it is perfect. I love this. This is a great basket to give a gift for a baby. I also love it for my desk because you can put all of your things in here, your sticky notes, your pens, and your notebook, and it is going to keep your desk looking neat, tidy, and cute. So let's take a look at this and see what it looks like around the room. Okay, I have several ideas for you. Number one is a fruit basket. I love a clean kitchen counter. This kind of keeps all your fruits and things together, looking neat and tidy. You can also use this to tame all of your remote controls. Let's face it, I don't know why we have so many, but we do. And this keeps them all in one spot, looking great. You, of course, also get to just see that cute little cow every time you walk into the room. I also love this in my office just to keep little odds and ends. But I think the piece of resistance is using this as a gift bag. This is just such a fun and simple gift. And then the person gets to keep the basket and use it for other things. I love this. Check it out.